So, yeah, this stuff, we're going to be using the 3M emblem and trim adhesive. Actually made for this. This guy is 3D printed, and then I sanded it a little bit and painted it a couple times. Jared over here, he was recovering from knee surgery. Knee surgery. And helped me do this about a little over 2 years ago. Now, this was probably the first thing we did for the car, one of the first things. And with the approach that this is when we're done, we put it on. So we are basically there today, ready to put this on. Now, is the car completely done? No, may never be completely done, but it's mostly done. It's done enough to do this. We got a big trip planned on Friday, and I want to have the badge on before we go. So this is the location I'm thinking. Jared, I want your opinion. I put this here just since okay, so we'll leave this. But so what I'm thinking, I don't want it dead center. I want it up just a little bit. As I look at things, I think that if you look at the gas cap, it's up a little bit. Everything's up a little bit on deck. So I put that there to give me an idea of where it goes, kind of right there. How does that look? Looks good. And centering it, and it's going to be as straight as I can get it. The car is good.
Where you want it, straight. It's a little high and
Just a little bit up.
it's right.
I think that looks great.
It's in line with the gas tank.
Yeah, right over there, which is nice because that's on one side.
It's in line with this too.
Yeah, just a little bit above it.
Yeah.
But so that's why I put the tape there, was just to show me where the bottom of it goes.
I think that's smart. That works really well.
Okay, so now for the glue. Now I'm going to get something just to set this on because I want the glue to set for a minute or so before I
apply it.
I'll apply the glue before I put this on.
I put it in the sun, man. Oh.
There we go. Yeah, so it's just going to take extra time to dry. Here we go.
Can we use heating pads that I have and hit them on? Remember my heating pads?
Oh, yeah.
They're iron pellets activated inside and they're tiny.
Okay. Do you want like a blob or some sort?
Q-tip.
No, then you might get some cotton.
No, he's got it. He knows how to apply this. Look at him. He's pro.
It does dry clear. You don't want too much residue. No. But it's got
it won't look like Elmer's when you're finished. It's made just for this. Look how well it's going on.
Well, it's kind of going around the edges a little bit, but there's other ones out there I was looking at. But
yeah, but you wanted the one that would stay on.
Yeah, well, let's hope it does.
It will.
And hopefully it doesn't mess up the paint if it comes off.
No, it'll be fine.
Got generally good reviews, but there's always the few people that have had bad experiences.
Guys, pause the video and put in the comments what you think will happen.
Also, usually the people that write bad reviews are generally idiots.
Hey, I've written bad reviews.
I mean, bad reviews exist for a reason. It's people being real about the product.
Well, I am glad then that I don't have to review products online.
Okay. So it's really the edges I want to get nice. Yeah, stringy. What do you think, Jared? How's that looking?
I mean, it's so clear I can't see it very well.
I'm trying to see where it's going to
Be careful. We don't need that on your glasses.
A clean drop. I can see what's colored. So you're going to have strings, right? Like the airplane glue?
I don't know what airplane glue.
It melts the plastic.
I've seen that.
That's how it puts it together.
Okay, so I got a little too much there, I think. There we go.
My brother taught me how to put bullets into B-17s. Bullet holes. Pretty cool.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
That look about right?
Looks straight to me.
Boy, I don't have a good. This is freaky.
That looks good. Put it on. There you go. Perfectly right on that tape. That was perfect placement. Spot on the first time.
Oh, we didn't want there to be a second.
Sure. That's why.
Okay. There's a little bit of residue in certain spots. No, you can't sand it. I might be able to pick at it. A little bit of water there from where the tape was. Let's see if I can get some of that off. Just a second.
What above the F?
Well, it's not too bad. When I'm looking real close, you see it.
But standing back, you only see the F a little bit. You don't see anything else.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be noticeable. I think if you start messing with it, that's when you get.
Yeah, that's my concern. Okay, so let's get some tape on there and hold it.
It's not enough to know. No, and you want it to, and it has
There's
enough
no
there to
pressing.
keep it on. That F isn't going anywhere. You did a great job with it.
Get this. I'm going to just hold it for a bit.
Put tape it on.
I'm going to hold the edges. And Jared, you want to put some tape on the middle? How much tape? A little more, a little more. That's probably, yeah. More? Yeah.
3 more? 3 more?
At least 3 more.
People watching this video need to know this is the last thing to do on this car.
Wow.
He has built it from the chassis up.
Last is relative, but
You click on the channel, you can see in the playlist
All of the different, the whole process from get-go. It was amazing to watch it happen.
Oh yeah.
these
You
are my
know,
neighbors. They had a chance to see this from bringing it home
Oh yeah.
to now.
Well, you got to watch the whole thing because it's like
Tape just doesn't.
this is really cool.
Want me to tape the tape?
No. I'm just going to hold it.
Tape doesn't seem to want to stay. The middle one seems like
It's the wax, I think.
I think it's the wax as
I
well.
mean, it sticks well to the emblem, but it's not sticking to the car.
You got it waxed today.
Well, it's been waxed, but
I don't go on any bumpy roads.
yeah, it's not sticking to the actual. Sticks to the emblem nice, which
That middle one's fine though.
yeah,
Keep that middle one on.
I'll do that. Yeah, there's just a few little beads above there, but I don't think that's going to be.
Yeah.
They're driving it up to Boise next week.
This week,
weekend?
Friday.
Friday.
Up to Boise, they're taking it.
Well, it
Yeah,
takes
that's where
12
his
hours
brother
to
lives.
fully
That's his
cure.
brother's car. And his brother is going to take his wife out in it.
What do you think? Is
and his wife's
that a
taking
wrap
one
on the
out.
video?
Yeah, you can let it go, and I'll take a picture at the end when it's done.
Perfect little 10-minute video.